Hi there, welcome into the live streaming of CGTN and 必然. Now I'm at the 2025 CIIE site. Here you can see I'm at the medical equipment and healthcare exhibition zone, and there are a lot of companies here this year to come to join us to showcase their innovative products, their high-tech technologies, including human medicine, animal healthcare products, and wellness goods. So I've seen a bunch of very innovative products showcasing here, and now you can see here we are at a heart disease equipment and medicine exhibition zone, and we are so glad to have some special guests to join us to talk to us more about the innovative equipment and medicine. Hi Molly, hi, say hi to our audience.
Hello, CGTN 的伙伴们 Hello.
Yeah, this is Molly from Edward Life Sciences, and she will talk us a little bit about the innovation here. Okay, let me put this on.
OK， 那么下面的话，我就跟大家介绍一下今年爱德华展台即将展示的一些正在展示的一些重磅的产品。那首先的话，先跟大家简单的介绍一下爱德华吧。那我们是一家专注在结构性心脏病领域，特别是围绕这个心脏瓣膜去提供一些解决方案的这样的公司。那这里展示的其实是我们的一款静膜宝宝这样的一个产品，它的名字叫做 CIIE 进导管主动脉瓣膜系统。
We can see here are some newly released medical products. We call them CIIE babies.
Yes.
Maybe you are not very familiar with CIIE babies. I think those are the products that are in their early stage to be exhibited here at the zone here of the medical center, but soon they will be approved by the Chinese administration. We can find them on the local market, right?
Yes,
yeah.
That's true. Yeah, 我们这款产品的话是2020年的时候在中国获批的。那在进博会的这样的一个加速效应、溢出效应的一个加持下，目前我们这款产品已经进入了我们的29个省市200多家指定机构，那服务了非常多的这个中国患者。
So after 2020, right? 2020. After 2020's approval of this medicine, now this year they will go to the local market in China after the accelerated pace of the approval process, thanks to CIIE.
Yeah. 那这款产品的话，它其实是为我们的这个主动脉瓣疾病的这个患者提供了一个非常创新的一个疗法。那过往的话，我们的一些主动脉瓣疾病的这个患者，他只能通过开胸的这样的一个手术方式，去对这个病变的一个这个瓣膜进行一个置换或者修复。那我们这款产品的话，你可以看到，按照这个模型所展示的，
所以这个是心脏，对吧？
对
Heart, yeah. And through this system, here the pulse. 然后它会就是不需要开胸了，
对，不需要开胸，它通过腿部的一个小切口，通过这个经导管的这个方式，通过人的这个血管，那把我们的这个瓣膜带到这个病变的这个位置进行一个置换。所以的话，它对于很多无法耐受这种外科手术的患者来说，它是一个非常好的选择。
其实对于很多患者来讲，可能也减轻了痛苦。
对的，
然后也减少了很多对手术带来的麻烦。
是的，
所以它其实只需要一个小切口的手术。
3厘米不到的小切口。
Okay, so there will be a small cut here on the leg, and then they put this equipment in, and the blood will go through the heart, and you don't need to do like a very complicated surgery here around this heart part in your body. You can just do a very small one here around your leg.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. 然后
That's very advanced.
Yes. 那这里的话，我们给大家看到的是我们今年的一个进博首秀的这样的一个产品。那我们也是看到进博会它是有非常好的一个平台，包括得到非常多的这样的一个关注，所以我们希望把它的首秀放在进博会这样的一个平台。
Okay, so this is also a CIIE debut product. This is the first time to be showcased here in China, right?
Yes.
Yeah, in China. So this is for this innovative product to be shown in front of all the general public and experts.
Yes， 那它的这个原理的话，其实跟我们刚刚看到的这个产品是相似的，只是说刚刚的产品它是应用在人的主动脉瓣，那这个产品的话，它是应用在人的2尖瓣或者3尖瓣，
所以还是有一些区别的。
对，因为2尖瓣和3尖瓣，它的这个疾病相对来说会比主动脉瓣它的患者的群体会更加的广泛，它应用的人群的数量其实是更多的，
其实可以普惠到更多的患者。
对。
所以你们现在这些东西都有在中国应用吗？在医院里边？
这款产品的话，其实我们是在欧美多国已经获批，包括去应用。但是呢，就是在中国的话，我们目前是今年刚刚在中国香港完成了一个首批的植入。那我们是计划明年把这款产品带到内地。
Okay, so this Pascal Precision will be applied to mainland China till the end of this year. Maybe next year we can see them applied in hospitals here in Chinese cities. Okay, this is a video demonstrating the system of how this equipment works here inside our bodies. 那其实这些主要的产品，我觉得还是有很高的科技含量的。
对。
而且在中国，如果即将落地的话，金博会可能是一个很好的平台，
非常好的一个平台。对。那这边我们看到的其实是我们外科疗法的这样的一个产品组合。刚刚跟大家介绍的都是一些微创的小切口的这样的一些手术介入的手术。但这边的话，就是那边的这种疗法会更加适合我们的一些老年人，他年纪比较大，他没有办法去开胸。那这边的话，适合我们一些相对年轻一点的患者，比如说这个40岁啊、50岁左右这样的一个患者，然后
也还是心脏病相关的一些疾病，
都是应用在人的这个瓣膜病的这样的一个解决方案。对。然后这边的话是我们修复的这样的一个产品，就是特别是2尖瓣和3尖瓣的这个位置，它是通过这样的一个成型环，把我们瓣膜的这个形态去进行一个重新的一个修复，让它恢复正常的一个工作。但它的应用场景是说，这个疾病还在相对早期，它没有损化的那么严重，
就是还不需要很
就不需要把它换掉
的很重大的手术来做，简单的一些程序可能就可以把它解决了。
对。
OK。
然后这边的话是我们用于外科置换的这样的一个瓣膜的这个组合，包括我们的这个2尖瓣，还有我们的
这些都是一些展示品，对吧？就是大概给大家明白这个原理。
对。
所以这些也没有在中国
这些已经都是
实际落地了。
对。然后我特别想介绍一下我们。
Okay, so these are all the CIIE babies, which are already applied in Chinese hospitals and applied to a lot of patients.
那这里的话，特别想跟大家介绍 Matrix Resilia 这款产品。那这款产品的话是应用在人的这个2尖瓣置换的这样的一个手术。然后这款产品我们是在去年进博会上宣布的一个获批，然后今年4月就已经完成了正式的一个商业化的一个上市。
所以大概是半年的时间。
对，其实半年都不到的这样的一个时间，因为我们对，然后现在的话已经落地了中国的60余家医疗中心。
So it takes only half a year to apply this in local market from CIIE exhibition floor to the real market. It only takes half a year, and now around 60 hospitals. 60 hospitals are already using this one to treat their patients. 哇，真的是很了不起，
非常感谢进博会。
是的，这确实是一个很可以加速的一个很好的平台，
对，非常好的一个平台。
对，
然后最后的话，我还想带你们看一下我们的，就是展示我们 Resilia 技术的这样的一个展台。因为的话，就是人工瓣膜嘛，它最重要的就是说它的一个耐久性。
对，
因为不是所有的瓣膜放到人的身体里之后都可以一直用下去的。
而且我觉得很多病人其实是经不起折腾的。如果有些问题出现了，他其实很难说再换一次，
再去做一次手术。所以这里的话，其实是我们 Resilia 技术的一个整体的展现。那 Resilia 的技术的话，是爱德华特有的一个突破性创新的一个技术。那这个技术的，
其实它就是 focus on resilience， 对吧？
resilience。那它的一个目的就是为了让瓣膜更耐久，可以让我们的这个患者在用这个瓣膜的时候用的时间更久。这样的话，它也能够有更好的一个预后，包括减少它2次手术的这样的一个未来。
其实也是减少它的痛苦嘛。
对的，
在一定程度上。
对的。所以可以看到刚刚介绍的，包括 Matrix 啊，我们的 CP3 Ultra Resilient 这些产品的话，都是应用。
所以这些其实现在有国产化的一个计划吗？还是说
目前来说，我们还是把全球的产品带到国内。对，以这个，
我觉得这可能也是进博会的一个意义所在，
对吧？对。
Okay, so I hope more global products can be brought to China
Yes.
to benefit all the Chinese customers
yes,
and
that's
patients.
our mission.
Yeah,
Yes, also.
it's great. Okay, thanks, Molly.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think we're gonna explore more around that area. Maybe we can talk later.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's enjoy the trip.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. So we just learned a lot about the heart diseases and how to treat them, the most advanced, latest technologies. And next, we can see here a lot of brands they focus on different kind of parts and aspects of the healthcare. How about we go into Johnson & Johnson to see what are the latest products they are showcasing? Okay, this is the exhibition zone of Johnson & Johnson, the brand, American brand, and they're showcasing a bunch of new products and innovative medicine, as well as high-tech equipment here at CIIE, and a lot of them are China debuts this time. I believe there will be a lot of CIIE babies, of course. Hi. Hello, sir. Nice meeting you again. Yeah. Here we are bringing all the CGTN audience to explore your products here. How about you introduce us a little bit about the maybe the debuts and all this innovation?
Sure. Thank you for coming. Yeah.
Okay, maybe say hello to our audience here.
Hello, everyone. Yeah. So excited to introduce our absolutely latest technology. Do you know?
I see here, Zhou Shoufa, right?
Yes.
So this is a debut in Asia, not only in China, but in Asia.
Sure.
Okay.
Do you know how new this is a new product?
Not really.
Yeah. We call this new product Ecicon 4000. Actually, it's get approval from NMPA just 3 days ago, the first day of the 8th CIIE.
What a coincidence, right? It's the first day of CIIE
Sure.
and it's get approved.
Yeah. Yes, as you said, Ecicon 4000 is China is the first country in Asia to launch this new product.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's already been used in the US, but in Asia, China is the first country.
Just 3 months ago, launched in the US.
It's almost the same,
Yes.
right? Same timing of the launch of it.
Yes.
So actually, what is this and how to use it? Can you show us?
Sure. So we call this instrument endocutter.
Okay.
Could you understand what's on the endocutter?
Kind of, but maybe I'm not an expert.
Endocutter, you can understand it just like laparoscopic. Laparoscopic stapler. Stapler.
Yes.
So it's used to do the minimally invasive surgery.
Okay.
And to cut and stable the tissues.
Okay.
Yeah, just like.
So use here to cut.
Yes.
Okay.
For example, colon or intestinal, just like here.
Yeah.
And
during the surgery.
During the surgery. Yeah. Close the cap.
Yeah. Once you click there.
Yes.
This
we
part
call
close.
it. We also call this gun.
Okay. Just like a gun.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is a bullet. We call this the reload.
Oh.
And this is a fire button.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very vivid.
Yeah. Actually, you can.
You press the button here.
You can see our articulation. Yeah. Return.
Yeah. Oh, it opens and closes.
When you close, you can change the angle. But when you shift it, if you press.
So you can adjust angle here. Oh my God.
This is a powered.
It's very delicate.
Powered articulation, and you can go everywhere in the body and change and make sure that this jaw is suitable to the environment.
And then cut.
Yes, fire.
Oh,
cut.
fire.
So, this is our latest generation of endocutter. Actually, this is button bottom.
Yes.
Go back. And unlike the traditional we call 2B stapler.
Yeah, this kind of traditional
Yeah,
ones.
traditional, this
Yes.
shape just like this. Escon 4000, we have 3D stereo, stereo staples.
That makes a big difference, right?
Yes.
3D.
And it can cut and sew the tissues more securely
Okay.
and reduce the risk of bleeding.
Like cut the tissue like this, right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Yeah, you can try. I will upload one bullet in
Oh
this
my
gun.
God, a real bullet.
Just like this. You can see here 3D stereo logo here.
Yes.
Here.
Click.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Oh. So this is the part you need when you cut the tissue.
there are many very small staples in the reel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The texture is it's like very special texture here.
Yes, we call this is a GSP surface.
Okay.
Just like I don't know how to say 壁虎的爪子。
哦，壁虎的爪子就是有摩擦 ，right?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
But still, it's soft. It's not that hard.
Yes. Can grasp the surface
Okay.
of tissue.
Okay.
And you can try.
Okay.
Yes, that's fine. You're okay.
Wow.
Yeah, I will guide you to let
Okay.
you experience the difference between the 3D technology and the traditional. Okay?
Okay.
Uh,
So I
yeah, sure.
press here.
Just like change this angle.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To the,
It moves.
Yeah. Press. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
See? Okay. Let's do
Okay.
it this way.
And you can see this is we are simulate the tissues.
Okay.
Just
so
like
I
that.
just press this.
Yes.
Oh, 1, 2,
Close.
3.
Close.
Oh.
Yes. And just like this is a safety button. Yeah.
You make sure, you tighten the tissue there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You can fire it. Now.
Oh, okay. So I press here.
Yes. Press.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Sure.
Oh.
You can.
This is
Yeah.
very
Press again.
delicate.
Press again.
Here, right?
Yeah. Not to the end. So.
What's this sound?
Yes. Actually, it's some feedback from the gun.
Oh,
Tell
okay.
you, okay, we close all the process.
Okay.
Then press it. Then
It's like automatic
sure.
pressing
Then
the tissue there.
with your finger, push it.
Push it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so
Yeah.
tight.
Yeah.
Come on. Oh, okay.
Actually, this is that's
it's
a
cut.
real stable.
That's cut. Yeah.
You can see here.
It
These
just,
two lines 3D,
Oh.
and the internal stable line is a traditional.
Okay,
Just
so-
like 5 stable line.
I got it.
Yes.
Now I got it. It's like 3D thing here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Here,
And actually, it's very quick. Just a one click.
yeah.
Everything's done
Yeah.
there. Yeah.
Yeah, and this is the traditional power and
Yes.
gun. I will let you feel the difference.
Okay.
Please wait me a moment.
So actually, this is the tissue. This is like our skin, right?
This
Or
is
blood and
blood.
skin.
Blood
Oh my
is-
God. I
Yes.
cannot imagine like how hard it is when you do this in your body.
Yeah. This is a demo to just like the surgeon feels the difference between the old technology, and I will feel with the old technology just
Okay.
like that.
Okay. Press it.
Oh, no battery. Sorry.
Take your time. Oh, here you hear the sound, right?
Now it's an exciting moment. Yeah.
So
Here
this
you-
is a traditional one.
Yes, this is the traditional. This is a 3. Let me see because it's so small.
Yeah.
This is a 3D. You can see
Okay.
the different shape.
Yeah, the 3D shape is more like a triangle there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I will invite you to press as hard as you can.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hi.
Press.
Yeah. Oh. Something
can-
happened here.
Yes, you can feel what's the meaning of reduce the risk of bleeding.
See, the blood is out there.
Yeah, sure.
It's leaking.
You can see that's a traditional. That is a very less.
So once this happens in your body, it's bad, right? It can cause some very serious results.
Not it's bad. It's good enough.
Okay, good
but
enough.
One is a super challenging environment for the most difficult procedure.
Oh, yeah.
The surgeon need a more safer endocutter.
And the patient cannot take any risks.
Yes, yes. So maybe this is This is our product.
Yeah.
It's good enough.
This is the upgraded one.
Yes, totally new, totally. And also we have 3 chips. We call chip embedded in this gun, and this gun can feel the tissue.
Okay, different kind of tissues.
Yeah, different kind, and to change the fire speed, just based on the different tissues.
Wow.
So this we call it just like a smart
That's
gun.
definitely an improvement. I see, because I see them in my eyes, right? The blood is leaking there.
Yeah.
Okay, so thanks for your introduction. It's very interesting, and I learned a lot by trying this equipment. I think I don't want to use it in the future, but maybe I think this can benefit more patients if they have complicated surgeries or if they need some very difficult treatments.
Yeah.
Okay.
I believe our Ecicon 4000 will help the Chinese surgeon to do the procedure more safely and more effectively.
Okay, thank you, sir. And we'll continue to explore in this part. But thanks for your introduction. It's a very good one. Thank you. Okay.
Bye.
Okay. 好，谢谢。Okay, well, that is very complicated. And we see something maybe simple here. I don't know. Let's see. Hi. Hello. Nice meeting you. Say hi to our audience.
I'm Sylvia from Abiomed China team. And today we're talking about the heart pump in this category. This is a very innovative medical device. Actually, this has been approved for cardiogenic shock and heart risk PCI procedure because we know human's body works functionally 24/7, and our heart is working like the power cells. So it's pumping blood to all the organs, never stop. Imagine this situation. If some reason the heart is too tired, or it has some problem, running into problem, cannot pumping blood out to the brain, to the liver or kidney, what happen? Then the patient risk will be very risk. Their life cannot be saved. If we have impella insertions.
Impella is this little thing here.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
It's a catheter-based heart pump. So the physician need to just cut open from here, from your leg, and percutaneously, a catheter will enter the ventricle. We call this left ventricle of the heart.
And give the heart more pulse and empower the heart,
yes.
right?
So it has a blender inside. It can moving the blood from left ventricle to a aorta. Then.
Okay, yeah.
Okay,
You
thank
can
you.
go on.
Then all the blood can supply our organ, like very important organ, the brain, the liver, and kidney. Then when the patient recover to their native heart function, the physician taking this pump outside from the same pathway. So one patient coming out of hospital, he or she doesn't carry any battery or any device in his body.
But this thing is still working in their bodies?
No longer.
No longer.
Because this is a temporary supporting device. Help the heart to pass the most difficult time. Because, as people, we get tired. But think about our organ, they also get tired for running some problem. So when the patient going back, they can go back to their active life. They can continue to be athletes. They can continue working as a mom, as a dad, or as a leader. So they can continue contribute to the society.
Okay.
They won't become a burden for the family and the entire economy.
I talked to Melissa the other day, and she told me this is still in its early stage to be applied to Chinese market, right?
Yes, actually, we started the product registration 1 year ago, and now we're already very close to the final approval. We think we can launch nationwide in 2026. But this year, because we got the Green Channel designation, it's called the Innovative Medical Device designation, authorized by China NFPA. So we got the GBA first approval in August. And
Okay.
just this week, during the week of CIIE.
I heard it. Yeah, it's almost the same timing, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we also got included into the early use policy. It's called urgently needed medical device temporary importation policy. So our government realized the unmet clinical need. And we understand it's a long and a relatively complicated process to get the product final to China. So they allow us.
The country situation is different from
Exactly.
the US. Yeah.
Exactly.
And a lot of complicated conditions in different cities, actually.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. But we hope this pump can help more patients in China sooner than later.
Okay, well, thank you.
Thank you so much.
I hope this one
Bye-bye.
could be used in those hospitals earlier, so
Yes.
more patients could get benefit from it, right?
Exactly.
Okay, so let's go on exploring the booth here. Thank you. And here we also see a lot of Asia and China debut products. You know, more and more global companies, they are focusing more on the Chinese market. So they choose China to be their first station of the launch of a lot of new products, or maybe just they choose CIIE as a platform. And that part is about medical equipment, and this one is still the high-tech medicine and healthcare goods. Hi. We have an expert to tell us a little bit more about something that I'm not really familiar with.
Yeah. Welcome
Okay.
to our orthopedic booth.
Yes.
Yeah. And you
And
can
say hi
see,
to our CGTN
hi,
audience.
Hi. You can see there are different kinds of products from orthopedic surgeries and from MyTech, from sports and CMF, joint and trauma.
Yes.
Yeah, a lot of. And I will show you the two advanced products from our
Okay. Actually,
our
first,
company.
what
Yeah.
is this?
Yeah, it is a joint prosthesis. Yeah, for primary surgery and,
Okay.
and knee.
Oh, for knees.
Yeah, for knees.
Okay.
And as you can see, it is called a transcementless, and you can see, I have a sample. Yeah, you can see it is a cover with shining coating and with a biological surgery, and it can help to better integrate with human bones.
Okay.
Yeah, and help to the
Especially after a lot
patients
of
to
the
recover.
complicated surgeries on legs or knees.
Yeah,
Because we know
for
people
knees.
now they're working out
Yeah,
and
yeah,
they get injured.
Yeah,
and they
sure.
have to do something about their knees, especially I think this part.
Yeah,
right?
and it's very different from the traditional cemented
What's the
prosthesis.
material of this?
Oh yeah, it's a poly. This is a
Okay.
polyethylene
Yeah,
for
okay,
medical.
poly.
Yeah.
And this can be used for aging people and also young people, right?
For aged people.
Oh, for
Yeah,
aged
all
people.
yeah.
Mostly aged people.
Yeah,
okay.
sure. And you can see the second one is called a revision knee system, and it is for the second surgery for patients. And as you can see, it is a rotation platform, and which can reduce wear from the femur side. And meanwhile, you can see the metaphysis sleeve, and this sleeve can help to offer the reliable fixation in in knee, and also it can provide long-term survivorship
Oh, okay.
for patients.
Maybe as an expert, you can give us some advice on how to protect our knees. I know a lot of people they do exercises and they get their knees injured.
Yeah.
And then I
Sure.
feel a lot of difficulties in daily lives or doing sports.
Sure. My advice is, you should strengthen your muscle.
Okay.
Yeah, if your muscle is very strong enough,
strengthen our
yeah,
muscle.
you can walk very
to
healthy.
let the muscle to protect these knee parts,
sure,
right?
sure.
Yeah.
Our muscle is very important for
And
the-
very flexible, actually.
Yeah, sure,
Okay.
sure.
Okay, thanks for your introduction.
Yeah.
I think we have to protect our knees
Yeah,
in a
sure.
better way.
Of course.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
This is the Johnson & Johnson booth, and let's go on exploring the exhibition zone
再
here.
把它丢回去吧。没事，把它丢。Oh, sorry.
Let's go. Here are so many big companies. And we can see actually a lot of people here. I didn't expect so many visitors here, but this day, today I see a lot of visitors. They are just the public coming to the medical, healthcare center to know more about the medicine. Maybe the medicine they're using now, maybe they have some relatives or family members got the disease. They want to know more about the projects, healthcare, wellness projects, or just the equipment. Okay, here we see something very high tech here. Maybe we can take a look. Hi, Mr. Hi, sir. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, you can say hi to our audience here.
Hi.
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 Yeah.
Hi
You can
everyone.
introduce yourself.
Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Binghe Miao from Electa China, and welcome to Electa booth.
Yeah.
Actually,
This booth actually is very clean, right? We have some big equipment here.
yeah.
So first, let's tell us our audience what this machine is.
Okay, yeah. So actually, we are dedicated to providing precise, adaptive radiotherapy solutions. So here, machine you see that it's called Gamma Knife. It's invented by the founder of our company, and it's a famous.
I heard he's
Yeah.
like the founder of the Gamma Knife, like
Gamma Knife.
around the world.
Around
right?
the world, yes.
The first one.
The first one,
The
yes.
very first one, Gamma
And
Knife.
yes,
Yeah.
Gamma Knife. So it's also called the father of the radiosurgery. Yeah, and it's the founder of a company as well. You see, Gamma Knife is the latest version. Gamma Knife. It's
Okay.
called Electa Aspirin. It's a new, and also we launched these products in CIIE 2 years ago, and this year, and we produce this locally in China. We will
Okay.
get the
So this is localized manufacture.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
No, we will get NEP approval very soon. Yeah.
Okay.
So this machine is very precise and very intelligent. So that means we can, when we start the treatment, actually treat the patient, we will get image guided here.
And the patient will lie here.
Line here,
and
yes.
go inside the
yeah,
equipment.
yes.
Okay.
And this machine will have a integrated
Okay.
high-speed
Yes.
treatment planning system.
Okay.
So that means we will generate a treatment plan within 1 minute and
Okay.
only
Yeah,
one
that's
click.
great.
Yes.
So every part of this equipment is produced in China, 100%.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's great you can realize this localization of the manufacturing, right?
Yeah. Yes. And also you can see in our booth, almost all the products here except the MR Linux, all our products can be manufactured in China.
Wow.
Yeah.
So that means the Chinese patients can be treated by those equipment quickly,
Yes.
immediately after they are transported to the hospitals.
Yes.
And
Yes.
do you export those machines to the other countries globally?
Yeah, yes. I think especially for the Linux, actually it's produced in our Beijing factory. And
Beijing
it's
factory.
And they have been exported to more than 100
That's
countries
great. Wow,
worldwide.
more than 100
yes.
countries.
Yes.
That's
yes.
a big number.
Yeah.
Okay, I see here. Some equipment here.
Yes. Yes. So, excuse me. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry.
Okay, let's take
Yeah.
a look at this.
Yeah. So this area, this
this-
year, yeah, we just demonstrated.
Radiotherapy solution.
So 3D therapy solutions. So this area we just demonstrate the comprehensive electric solution. So you can see here this is a virtual treatment center. So it's equipment all of our products like and also we can show how the radiotherapy works. Yep, sorry.
So this is the whole process of the solution,
Solutions,
right?
yes.
In most of the hospitals.
Yes, in
Okay.
most hospitals. For example, I can show you something very interesting. For example, for the MR guided
Yeah.
Unity. Actually, it's a star machine in CIIE, and it's a combination of MR imaging device and the Linux. So with this combination, you can see that we can treat the patient, but we can also get the very clear image on the patient.
So
And also,
this is what happened when you start this machine and when the patient go into that, right?
yes,
Okay.
yes. And you can see here that it's the first machine that we can see very clear during the treatment, the movement of the tumor within the patient body.
Okay.
And we can, based on this movement, we can adjust the beam on or beam off during the treatment. And
And
it's
the upgraded version of that equipment, gamma knife could be working more accurately, right?
Yes, correct.
To decrease
And-
patients' feelings about the payment.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. And this is another one. We call it brachytherapy. Actually, it works with the radiation source.
Okay.
We just place a source
This
within
is
the body.
also radiotherapy.
Yeah,
kind
it's
of
called the
okay.
radiotherapy. It's also called the internal radiotherapy.
Okay.
Because it works here. You can see that actually we just place a source within the inside the patient. So it's the radiation source work really closely to the patient.
Okay.
So it's very useful for the cervical cancer.
And can decrease a lot of pains when you do the
Yeah.
checks, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I
You can
saw
see-
the card there.
Yes.
Maybe we can take a closer look at it.
Yeah, you can see the real machine here. We just saw here
yes, the
virtual
real machine.
Yeah, this
Okay.
is the real machine.
Oh, so
Yeah.
this is the real thing you will be using in hospitals?
Yes.
Okay.
We call it afterloader.
Okay,
Yeah, the name
afterloader.
afterloader is that means when we get the treatment, actually the doctor places this device. We call it
Yes.
applicator. Place the applicator within the patient at first. Then we load the sauce to the patient. So that means afterloader, afterloading
okay.
sauce.
Okay.
So we call it afterloader.
Yeah.
So it's very effective for the cervical cancer patients, and we know actually a lot of hospitals has this machine,
Yeah.
and our Chinese patient can get benefits.
And I
from
think
the,
these are really good for women, right? For
Yes.
women patients, because
Yes.
women patients always experience a lot of pains when they do the checks or maybe during the surgery. So
Yes.
with this kind of equipment,
Yeah.
they could do it more quickly, more convenient,
Convenience,
and
yeah. Yeah.
and maybe the result will be more accurate.
yes,
I guess.
Yes, actually, the radiotherapy within brachytherapy actually has be a standard treatment approach for cervical cancer. So that
Okay.
means especially very early stage, other cervical cancer patients can be treated with brachytherapy
Yeah.
and without any
So
surgery.
this equipment
surgery.
is used in most of the hospitals in China now?
Yes, sure.
Okay, wow.
Yes.
That's
yes.
great.
Yeah.
That's really something great for women patients and for I think most of the families in China. Right?
Sure,
they can
sure.
get benefits from
Yeah,
it.
cervical cancer, I think it's very important.
Yes,
yeah.
it's a very important topic.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I think we learned a lot about the
Yep.
very high-tech machines, and let's go to explore more around that area. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Mill. Thanks
Yep.
again.
Thank
Bye.
you.
See you next
Bye.
time.
See you next time.
Okay. Well, we've learned a lot about the latest healthcare knowledge, right, from this center. And we also see some very big brands like GE, Bayer, all the medical companies' names maybe you are familiar with. Okay, let's go this way. And a lot of exhibitors come here to communicate with their peers on the latest innovation and the research outcomes in the medical industry and businesses. And some visitors just come here to learn more, to be exposed to this CIIE occasion. Because CIIE is like a launch pad. It's a powerhouse of all the new kind of medical equipment. And we just heard that CIIE babies can get an accelerated pace to be approved in China, and they could go local markets in a better manner, in a timely manner, to benefit more patients in China. Maybe that's the significance of CIIE Medical Center. Here we see Boston Scientific, and they also have a lot of China debut products. Okay, I think we got blocked here because there are too many people here, the visitors. Okay, I think we just explored half of the medical exhibition dome today, but if you have time, I really advise you should come here to experience all these high technologies and the most advanced equipment yourself. I think it's time for us to wrap up today, but you can just keep focusing on the medical and healthcare wellness goods to take care of yourself, take care of your body and your mental health. So see you next time. It's up for our show today, and stay tuned with CGTN.